Zoetry Agua Punta Cana is truly an all-inclusive resort in a class of its own. This unique, adults-only, intimate getaway is located on the easternmost coast of the Dominican Republic. Zoetry is a one-of-a-kind romantic boutique resort that's inspired by local traditions and native cultures. Featuring just 96 incredible villas and suites, with attention to the finest detail found throughout the property. You'll be able to immerse yourself in memorable experiences throughout your stay. Take part in relaxing yoga, meditation, or dance, or simply relax in the two large infinity pools connected by a unique arrangement of winding water trails. Ready for an aquatic adventure? Set sail from your resort on board a catamaran for a taste of fresh sea breezes, or explore the seas at your own pace, riding the waves with the resort's kayaks, or enjoy the life under the sea with snorkeling and scuba diving excursions. No matter which accommodation you stay in, the villas and suites at Zoetry Agua Punta Cana are spacious, airy, and inspired by local customs. You'll find the transition between indoors and outdoors melts away as you walk seamlessly through your space. Luxurious linens and spacious bathrooms mean that you'll stay in complete elegance. Best of all, you can choose unique swim-up suites that allow you the opportunity to take the most magical route around the resort. After you've worked up an appetite, you'll find the dining options are plentiful, with options that fit any appetite. In intimate settings, you can try piragua for authentic Caribbean cuisine, or dine in the breezy ambience of Olena, offering Italian delights, and an international wine cellar holding rare vintage wines. You'll have 3 bars to choose from as well. Relaxation is built into every corner of Zoetry Agua, but you'll find complete serenity at the resort's spa, where you'll enjoy an indoor pool and inox bubble beds, finish and steam saunas, and a selection of treatments for every type of well-being. Zoetry Agua Punta Cana is perfect for the traveler looking for an intimate, all-inclusive getaway. Contact your travel advisor today and start planning your next dream vacation.